The tension is high right now. We have boxes throughout our hallways, in our gym. We're here at Stopher Elementary School, and we hope we are about to break the world record for the longest cereal box domino chain. Every year we participate in the Dare to Care campaign, and this year Dare to Care encouraged us to collect cereal boxes and create a chain reaction of kindness. And so I had one of our parents come to me and say, Miss Sharon, I want to break a world record. And I said, let's do it.
Oh, I'm super excited. I was here yesterday doing the test run, setting up, and it's really fun to watch. So I'm excited for everybody to see.
Throughout last week, 8,009 cereal boxes from our community. Yesterday, we actually did our dress rehearsal, and we had a lot of parents here, staff members, even some students, setting up, counting.
It's absolutely amazing because one thing that I love about it is it stays within JCPS. So it is helping our school system, like our families and our friends within the school system.
We always want to encourage our students to give back to the broader JCPS community. These boxes are going to go directly into the hands of other JCPS students, and why not have fun while doing good for others? This has been an effort. The work will continue after this domino chain goes off so that we can get this food where it needs to be. I'm certainly nervous. And I'm also nervous. You can see students kind of walking to the gym to watch, so we're hoping there's no accidents, but mainly excitement. It's just a fun way to give back. We were close. Our domino chain, it did not prevail. We did have a couple bumps in the road, but guess what? We still are donating over 8,000 boxes of food for Dare to Care. We have ideas for next year if we do this again. We just learn along the way and have fun while doing it and give to others.